Many of you might know that I used to live with my auntie, uncle, and cousin in a small cupboard underneath the stairs at Privet Drive. I've not slept on a bed all my life, and for the first time in 11 years, I was given a proper bed in the Gryffindor dormitories. Once you've arrived inside the Gryffindor Tower, there is a roaring fire and stuffed crimson armchairs in the Gryffindor common room. It is a place where I could relax with Ron and Hermione after a long day of studying. Yes, that's right. I do study, you know. I'm quite good at Defense Against the Dark Arts. Besides, I also study Quidditch. Hey, you need to read books too to be good at Quidditch. But in all seriousness, I didn't really have to read any books. Well, I won the Quidditch Cup, didn't I? Okay, I'll stop talking about Quidditch. We're actually in a hurry to rescue the Philosopher's Stone. Professor Dumbledore said that the stone is safe, but I know Snape is up to no good. We have to get past Fluffy, the three-headed dog. What were they thinking keeping a monster like that in a school? There are children here, you know. Fluffy belongs to Hagrid. I think Hagrid is a bit mental to keep him. But then again, Hagrid has all sorts of dangerous creatures as pets. Remember the time when he tried to keep a dragon in his hut? Anyway, Fluffy does have a weakness. Someone said that he has a soft spot for music. Maybe I should bring my guitar and serenade him? Ugh, that's not a good idea. Hermione said that my voice sounds like a croaking toad. Hey, back off, okay? Don't blame me for not inheriting my mom's singing genes. It's far from over once we get past Fluffy. We saw a giant chessboard, and the chessmen were exactly like Muggle chess pieces. But don't let them fool you. They can come to life. I think Professor McGonagall cast the Pier Totem locomotor charm to bring these pieces alive. What was she thinking? Being alive is one thing, but she didn't need to make them into killing machines. I've played Wizard's Chess with Ron a couple of times. Ron's hand-me-down set is different. The chess pieces trusted me. Okay, focus. Ron said that I should be a bishop. Well, okay, if he insists. I'd rather not do anything, mind you. Can I just watch the game?